So here is another interesting function in strings, which is the find. Find helps us locate a string within another string. So what we mean by that is, in this example, let's say we want to find the position of a space, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the fifth position, we have the space. So how do we do it? By the find function. We type find, and then we find, or we enter the string we want to find, which is a space in this case. Then we enter the string where we want to find that character, which is space in this case. And then we have an option of putting the starting numeric or the position from where we want to start this find. So once we do it, we get a number 5, which is correct. Space is at the fifth position. We drag it down, we get the location of a blank in all of the individual strings. So let's do an interesting exercise using what we have learned so far. What we'll do is we'll capture the first character of the surname. So in this case, it would be A, in this case, it would be P, so on and so forth. So for doing any such calculation, one should always first build upon the logic. So logic here is we have to take one character to the right of the blank space. So in this case, the blank is here and one character to the right is A. Similarly, in this case, it would be this blank space and the character to the right is here. Based on the previous exercise, we have already calculated the position of the blank space. One character to the right, in this case, would be 6. So we'll have our first character of the surname at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sixth position, or 1 to the right of the blank. So how we can do it is by using the mid function. You type mid, the text where we find to locate our character. The starting number would be the position of blank plus 1, the number of characters, which is again 1. If we drag it down, we get the first characters of each of the surname. Now, in practical circumstances, you might want to create a short name using this. So it would be the combination of the first name and the first character of the surname. So we use again the name and then add a space in between and then the surname and maybe a dot at the end. And if we drag it down, we have our short name calculated.